Do you plan to buy a baby carrier? Are you looking for the best one for yourself? You might be feeling confused and overwhelmed by various brands and models on the market. Don't miss this video. We list the most popular and top-rated products on the market today, based on countless research and customer ratings. We also present the key features and benefits of each in the review, all aimed to provide you the selection of the best products and help you to make your decisions faster and easier. All the links about these products mentioned in this video will be in the description down below. Quality and value go a long way in making a baby carrier stand out from the crowd, both of which Infantino 20183 achieves with ease. The Flip Advanced Baby Carrier's unique convertible seat makes this the ideal carrier for infancy through toddler years. Use the narrow seat position and padded head support to comfortably hold small infants. Switch to the wide position to continue to provide an ergonomic, facing-in seat while your child grows. Includes the handy Wonder cover bib to protect your clothing and carrier. Along with its multiple carrying options and grow with baby flexibility, this convertible Wonder offers an ergonomic seat for optimal baby hip positioning, a super supportive waist belt and adjustable padded straps for long-term wearability. We couldn't do a list of the baby carrier without including Baby Bjorn. And if we're talking about the best, you can't get much better than the Baby Bjorn 056 US. This baby carrier is designed for anyone who likes to move around while keeping baby close. The carrier is soft and flexible to gently shape itself to the baby's body. The carrier provides excellent support for your baby's back and head and helps keep baby's legs and arms in a physiologically correct position. Adjustments are all made from the front, allowing you to put the baby in the carrier and adjust the fit and headrest by yourself. The front also opens completely so you can remove a sleeping baby without waking him. The Lillababy KC4VP manages to take everything that people loved about it, like its quality, performance, and value, and take it all a step further. Complete in comfort, versatility, and style, life with little ones requires staying ready for just about anything, and this all-seasons carrier is designed to adapt as quickly as you do. The zip-down front panel gives you the option to control the baby's temperature by revealing breathable, soft-wearing mesh. Parenting is unpredictable, but your comfort doesn't have to be. Lillababy makes baby products that bring functional style to parents, wants parents to be able to keep baby close while building a natural bond with comfortable baby carriers and slings. The Ergobaby BC360 delivers one of the best features to price ratios among baby carrier out there. The Ergobaby 360 is a natural next step after your little one outgrows the stage of being carried in a baby wrap or newborn carrier. This award-winning baby carrier ergonomically supports baby in all carry positions as baby begins to explore the world beyond caregiver. With its unique, structured bucket seat, the baby carrier keeps baby ergonomically seated in all carrying positions. Always ensures your baby is seated in an ergonomic M-shaped position with knees even to or above hips, and spine in curved C position. The versatile extendable back panel can be folded in, providing head support for your young baby, or unfolded, extending the back panel, giving your toddler the back support they need. If you're working to a budget, take a good look at the Evenflo 11215. The Breathable is the perfect carrier for any parent on the go. The Breathable is easy and safe to use with the single-side entry buckle and patented automatically adjustable back straps. The vented exterior fabric and the playful interior fabric create a breathable and fun baby area. The fabrics are also easy to clean, in case there are any baby messes. The Breathable also features a little extra padding in the places that count, in the shoulder pads for parents and in the head support and leg holes for baby. That would be all for this video, and thanks for watching. All the links about these products mentioned in this video will be in the description down below. We hope you liked it, and if you're interested in our channel, please consider to subscribe and give us a like. We also do videos like this for a wide variety of products, all aimed at helping you to make better buying decisions.